Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Timbren Industries, and today we're installing this SES kit on the rear of Ford's newest compact truck, the 2022 Ford Maverick. This upgrade is going to eliminate suspension squat, increase your stability, and give you better ride quality when you're towing and hauling. By the time we're done, you will have seen firsthand how easy it is to install this SES kit with just 4 tools. Using the socket and the wrench, bolt the rubber spring to the bracket for both sides of the truck. You just need to hand tighten the fasteners until everything is snug. After partially lifting the back end, not allowing the tires to hang freely, carefully remove the brake line clip located on the top and center of the lower control arm. Once the brake line is out of the way, bolt both rubber spring assemblies to the control arm using a socket and a wrench. Be sure to tighten all fasteners to a torque value of 30 to 35 foot-pounds. Once both assemblies are bolted in place, be sure to install the brake line clips into each corresponding bracket. Whether you make deliveries in an urban setting or go camping out in the wild, this easy-to-install Timbren SES upgrade will keep your Ford Maverick level and stable while maintaining better ride quality under load. And there you have it, your brand new SES kit is now installed. Remember, each SES kit is backed by Timbren's 100-day money-back guarantee and no BS lifetime warranty. Timbren has your back as long as you own your truck. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit Timbren.com. I'll see you next time.